In today's video, I am going to show you a trading strategy mainly for scalping that you have never seen before. The strategy that I am talking about uses the ultimate RSI that we have already seen in previous videos and the ATR stop-loss indicator, but it also uses two exponential moving averages, EMA. In my case, I'm going to test the strategy in Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the ultimate RSI indicator, which is nothing more than a modified RSI, so that the colors of red and green appear. To this indicator, we will put a parameter of 2, and we will put the overbought and oversold levels at 80 and 20. Secondly, we will select the ATR stop-loss. This indicator, we will put it with a parameter of 0.6, and we will change the line type to white circles. Lastly, we will select two exponential moving averages, EMA. But because TradingView doesn't allow to put more than 3 indicators, we will use this indicator that comes with 3 moving averages in one. The first moving average will be 21 periods, and the second moving average will be 55 periods. To the 21 period one, we will put a yellow color and increase the thickness a little, and to the 55 period one, we will put a white color, and we will increase the thickness a lot. The third moving average, we will disable it since we are not going to use it. Once all the indicators are selected, let's move on to explain the entry rules for a buy trade. First of all, the price must be above the white EMA, but below the yellow EMA. If this is true, we will verify that. In addition, the RSI shows us a dark green band. If this is also true, we will carry out the buy operation. We will put our stop loss below the white point that marks the ATR stop loss. In case the point is inside the bar, we will place our stop loss below the bar. We will finally close the trade with profits when the RSI marks a dark red band. In the case of wanting to make a sell trade, let's wait for the price to be below the white EMA, but above the yellow EMA. If this is true, we will verify that. In addition, the RSI shows us a dark red band. If this is also true, we will carry out the sell operation. We will put our stop loss above the white point that marks the ATR stop loss. In case the point is inside the bar, we will place our stop loss above the bar. We will finally close the trade with profits when the RSI marks a dark green band. Let's look at some more examples. Carrying out several tests, I came to the conclusion that this is a very profitable strategy, with an average risk-benefit ratio of 1.84 to 1. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.